She gotta fix her breasts.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording and it's raw.
Oh my God. Guys, I didn't see that.
Coming on. Hey, are you started? Are you started? Her shit is split. Zoom in. It's coming up.
I swear to God.
It's coming up.
Well,
Super heavyweight. I got it. Super heavyweight.
Yeah, we just chillin' something like a cooler, yeah. Money making moolah, yeah, we just getting to it, what's it to you? Ask for a handout like I knew ya. Yeah, I'm the man, I don't get it from my bag. So many flights that I'm getting jet lag. Showing her shit that she never even had. Go to Miami and spend all the cash. I got that bag, put it right in my stack. I know my family, we in my back. And if I'm serious, I'm doing the dash. Money making moolah in that stack.
what it do, money making moolah family? You already know what it is. It's your boy CEO. We're here for Thanksgiving. It tastes good. We got Thanksgiving mukbang going on. We got a little bit of curry. What's this? Curry chicken? Curry chicken, white rice. We got the orange shrimp. We got macaroni. We got ham. We got cornbread. We got fried chicken. And we got, what's your name, Millie? Jamil. First time on YouTube? Yeah? Okay. You wanna try it? You wanna try it? What do you want? What do you want? Which one? You want the shrimp? No, you want the rice? Oh, you want the chicken? Okay, let's try both together.
Oh, no, not the shrimp.
Okay.
We ain't trying to go to the hospital.
Okay, so try this chicken. You want this chicken? Try this. Ooh, Mom made that one. So we got Michelle's cooking right here to my left, which probably would be y'all right. Oh, well, she burnt the pot roast. I didn't get that. Let's try it. Then we got my cousin who made the curry chicken, and I made the shrimp. So you leaving me, Millie? Okay. So let's see what's going on here. You got a potato? Elena said she got a potato. What's this, a stuffed potato? A potato taco. They got potato taco. Curry chicken is aight. Curry chicken is aight. Let me get another taste. The shrimp is good because you know I made it. But let me switch plates. Let me get some of Michelle's cooking. Let me taste this ham. Who made the ham? Who made the ham? Michelle's kitchen made the ham. So pretty much everything on this plate is Michelle's kitchen. Oh, my sister made the cornbread, so let's try her cornbread, because her chicken, I didn't put it on my plate. It didn't look good, so I didn't put it on my plate. Michelle's kitchen. The macaroni is good. Just a little too much pepper. Too much pepper. Too much pepper on the macaroni.
That was Emily.
Oh, who made the macaroni?
Emily.
Emily made the macaroni? I should have passed on it just like I did the chicken.
Stupid.
Definitely too much pepper. Cousin right there. Good boy. Cornbread. Now let's go to this cornbread, y'all. Cause she made the chicken that I didn't get. She said she made the macaroni. I said it's too much pepper. and she made the cornbread. So let's see. Hopefully, 1 out of 3 tastes good at least. Cornbread tastes like you was in public school and they gave you that cold corn muffin. That's what it tastes like. But the cornbread tastes better than the macaroni. Yeah. What you got? Lasagna? Pasta? Okay. Empanada? I didn't get an empanada because y'all all ate all the empanadas. Oh man. Overall, I give the food. I didn't even try the fried chicken. Fried chicken is okay. Fried chicken is okay. Marcel made the fried chicken, so it's alright. Overall, I give the cooking an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. So, what did you use, Emily, to make the macaroni? What did you use to make the macaroni? See, that's why I need to teach her how to make the macaroni, y'all. Because she just had boxed macaroni and she just added the cheese. She didn't put no butter to it. She didn't put no milk to it. All she did was put a bunch of pepper. Cousin Elonza. She said she made the candy yams that I don't eat.
They taste good, y'all. They taste good.
Okay, so what you got on your plate?
What? I got fried chicken, cornbread, baked ziti, white rice, Malachi, curry chicken, and my They taste good. Y'all better get y'all some.
Okay, so I rated my food an 8 out of 10. What you rate your food? Oh man, be honest. This is raw and cut. This is going up. This is going up by tomorrow. It's gonna be posted.
It's a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10. She's lying. So that means it's a 7 for her.
No, I'm not.
She's
It
definitely.
tastes good, y'all.
Well, it must taste good because she had a full plate, so her plate is pretty much done. So, you know.
It tastes good.
It tastes good. This ham tastes alright.
It does.
That's cool. I don't care if I'm about to get full. I'm gonna eat all this. Who else?
You know that
I thought this was the mukbang, but I guess it's the wig bank at the same time. So the wig is coming off too.
right there. Right there.
So the wig is coming off at the same
A
time.
little bit. Like you can take a spin.
So I got the ham, macaroni, cornbread, curry chicken, shrimp, fried chicken. What you got?
I got the curry chicken and white rice, so I'm fattest. We got the burnt pot roast. What is that?
Who made the burnt pot roast?
Marshall's Kitchen.
Marcel Kitchen. Damn.
Stupid.
We
Well,
got the shrimp.
I made that. You know
We got
that
the
shit.
pasta
You know
salad.
that shit tastes good because I made that.
The baked ziti, and I got the ham.
Okay, so what you You didn't look like you ate that so far.
No, I didn't eat that yet.
You didn't eat that so far.
Alright, I did eat the shrimp. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
I give the curry chicken a 7 out of 10 too.
7 out of 10.
I give that. The pasta salad, I give that a 7 out of 10. The baked ziti is an 8 out of 10. The ham, 10 out of 10. Marty got it.
So overall, I ain't gonna front. I'm eating more of this curry chicken and white rice.
Overall, everybody's food I give it an 8 out of 10 overall.
8 out of 10. Same thing I gave, 8 out of 10. It's a good one. You know.
Yeah, I mean the curry chicken.
Yeah, I mean a lot of the curry chicken. Where's the plate? Get in here, you can get in here.
I didn't even eat it.
You gotta slide over, bring a plate. Bring over. Slide over this way. Slide over. So we got Najee. What you got on your plate?
I got a empanada, I got some ham, I got some beans, I got shrimp, I got chicken, rasta pasta, and baked ziti. You already know the vibes.
You already know the vibe. So, yeah, you about to taste that. So taste that. You know I made that. How'd that taste? Let them know. Let them better than that cornbread.
It's a little dry, not gonna hold it.
It's a little dry.
I
I mean, first of all, shrimp ain't supposed to be wet anyway. I mean, who made? I don't know who made the rasta pasta.
How's it? Is it good? Let me try.
It's spicy, but it's good.
Oh, I can't eat spicy food, man. It's not gonna work.
Oh, it is spicy. Well, we have to eat already from out of it too.
I mean, but you can get in. You gotta get on the side.
Yeah.
Slide over.
Yep, we all in it with the. Whoa, that thing is spicy. How my lips? Who they got that? Nancy, move the way back. Nancy put the whole jerk seasoning on that.
It's a little bit.
Give me that. Here. Okay. Emily, scoot in.
All right. What you got, Emily?
All right, so this is like my second plate, second plate, right? So I had, what's missing is my pasta salad. Pasta salad was a 10 out of 10. Patty got rid of this one. Okay, then I got my empanada. I only had a little bit of it. It is kind of loud. Shout out to my stripper. My favorite thing. I made the cornbread. Okay, that's 10 out of 10. Okay, cornbread is forward slap.
I don't know how to laugh.
My macaroni and cheese, okay. It was okay, what's it called? Crab deluxe, the family edition. Okay. I put my butter in it, because you know who like who don't like moist what's it called, noodles. Okay, so you gotta put the butter in it, then you put your cheese, you add your milk, you add your salt and pepper, and then on top of it, nacho taco ball machine.
We're gonna teach her how to make a roux next year.
But and I got baked ziti. Mine 10 out of 10. So everything on my plate. Oh, and the yams. Mine made the yams. I gotta try laundry yams. Let me get a piece of poppy shrimp.
Y'all get a picture with us.
Because he said his food is better than
shrimp, bro. That's boiled shrimp, bro. That's all it is. Boiled butter shrimp.
Take a clean picture of all of us before we get there.
The what?
Take a clean picture of
Who
us
ate the
right now.
collard greens over here?
Shrimp is good. It's not crunchy. And it's not rubbery. But it could be a little bit more seasoning.
No more season. What you think about that? What's your review?
Am I
I already know what you're doing.
Dessert? You want to more bake on the dessert? All right, when you ready?
Get off the frame.
When you ready?
I don't eat banana pudding, so I can't do that.